Hello, I'm Tutor Sonny, and today we are going to solve an inequilateral cube. The thin layer is going to be our last layer, so we are going to solve this last. And the thick layer, okay, this one, this is going to be our first layer, so we are going to solve this first, okay. Now, we must also remember the orientation of the center pieces, okay. So this centerpiece has two colors. The upper portion is violet and the lower portion is yellow. Now, as you can see, the violet form a V shape. Okay, so it formed a V shape. So the violet starts with the letter V. Okay, the word violet starts with the letter V. Okay, so it formed a V shape. Now, the corner is color blue. This one also. Okay, so it is they are located on the lower corner. Okay, so the orientation must be like this, so we must remember this orientation. And on the other sides, okay, now as you can see, the yellow form an inverted V shape. Okay, so the corner is color orange, this one also. Okay, they are located on the lower portion. Okay, so we must remember this orientation also. Okay, now we can jumble it. Now we can solve it. So okay, so this is the centerpiece with two colors, violet and yellow. So the violet must be on the upper side. Okay, now these are the two centerpieces with violet colors. Okay, with violet color, so they must be in a form of V shape. Okay, the orientation must be like this, and the blue corner, okay, must be on the lower side. Okay, this one also. Okay, the blue corner must be on the lower side. Okay, as you can see, the violet is now forming V shape. Okay, this is these are their proper orientation. Okay, now we must rotate this because the violet must be on the upper side. Okay, like so. Okay, now on the back side, okay, these two centerpieces must form an inverted V shape. Okay, so we must rotate this inverted V. Okay, like this, because the orange must be on the lower portion or on the lower side. Okay, this one also, we must rotate this. Okay, the orange must be placed on the lower side also. Okay, now okay, it formed an inverted V shape. Okay, this one. Okay, this is their, these are their proper orientation. Okay, now we can begin to make a cross. Okay, so okay, we must bring this down first, so rotate it again, then turn this back so we won't mess this up. Now we will try to match this edge piece with the center piece. Okay, so we must put this side on the bottom, so rotate this 1 2. Okay, that's 180 degrees. Now we can test this. Okay, they are not much, the colors are not much. Okay, so rotate this back. Now let's try another one. Okay, let's try this one. So this side must be placed on the lower side, so we must rotate it 1 2. Okay, that's 180 degrees. Now we can test it. Okay, they are matched. So the colors are matched, and the line has continuity. See? And the colors are matched. Okay, now we can bring it all the way up. Okay, see? Next. Okay. Okay, we'll try this one. Okay, rotate it clockwise, bring it up. Okay, then rotate this counterclockwise. Okay, then we need to rotate this. Okay, then bring this back, rotate this to the right side, then bring this back. Okay, now we can, okay, now this side must be on the lower side, so we can test it with the edge piece. Okay, they are matched, the colors are matched. Okay, now we can rotate this 180 degrees. Okay, see, the colors are matched also. Okay, yellow, violet. Okay, next. Okay, we'll try this one, this edge piece. So we must bring it down first, then set it aside, rotate this back up so we won't mess this up. Now set this aside. Okay, this side we must bring it down here, so we must rotate it 180 degrees so we can test it. No, they are not matched. Now bring this back up. Okay, rotate this. Okay, so rotate this again. We will try this one. So we must bring this side down here, so we must rotate it 180 degrees. Okay, then we can test it with the edge piece. So as you can see, the colors are matched, violet and yellow. Okay, now we need to rotate this back up 1 2. Okay, so the color is matched also, yellow yellow. Okay, next still have one more. Okay, this one, so we must bring it down first. Okay, then rotate it, bring this back up so we won't mess this up. Then okay, this side we must place this side here. Okay, so rotate it 180 degrees, 90, 180. Now we can test this edge piece if they are matched with. Okay, so rotate it counterclockwise, so the colors are matched, yellow and yellow green. Now we can bring it up. Okay, so now we have a cross. Okay, now we will fix the four corners. Okay, so we must put this on the bottom. Okay, now we need to bring this up. Okay, now we can test it first. No, they are not matched. Okay, see, the colors are matched, violet violet, yellow yellow. Okay, now set this aside, bring this back up, and this one also, bring it back. Okay, next we must bring this up. Okay, now we can test it. No, yes. Okay, so the color is matched, blue blue. Now set this aside, bring this back up, and bring this back also. Okay, it's done. Okay, we have one more. Okay, the color is matched, orange orange. So set this aside, bring this back up, rotate this also. Okay, so it's done. Our first layer is done. Okay, it is fixed. Now we will fix the edge pieces of the second layer. Okay, so we will, okay, we have one edge piece that is already in place. Okay, now we will try this one. no, the other side. Okay, as you can see, the colors are matched: yellow, yellow, violet, violet. Okay, so hold it like this. We will place this edge piece here. Okay, u, r, u prime, r prime, u prime, f prime, u, and then f. Okay, it's done. Next, we will check this one. No, the other side. No. Okay, we will check it here. Yes, the colors are matched: yellow, yellow, orange, orange. Okay, so hold it like this. We will place this edge piece here: u prime, l prime, u, l, u, f, u prime, and then f prime. Okay, it's done. Next. Okay, we still have one more. I think this one, so we will check it first. Okay, the colors are matched: yellow, 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 green, yellow, green. Okay, so hold it like this. We will place this edge piece here on the left side. So u prime, l prime, u, l, u, f, u prime, f prime. It's done. Okay, so our first and second layers are fixed. Now we will do the third layer, the last layer. We will fix the edge pieces first. As you can see, these two edge pieces are not flat. Okay, they should be lying flat like this. Okay, they are in an upright position, so we need to make it flat first. So to do that, to make these two edge pieces flat like these two, okay, so okay, hold it like this. This will be placed here and it will be flattened. This one also will be placed here and it will also be flattened. Now this one will move here without any rotation. Okay, so these two will be fixed. So hold it like this and do this algorithm: f, u, r, u prime, r prime, f prime. Okay, now we will, now that all the four edge pieces are flat, so we will match the colors. Okay, this is correct, this is not correct, this is not correct. Now we need to make a swap. Okay, so we must swap these two. This must be placed here. See, this one, no, it should be placed here. Okay, so we must swap these two first. Okay, so hold it like this and do this algorithm: r, u, r prime, u, r, u to r prime. Okay, so now the edge piece is in its proper place, this one also. Okay, now these two edge pieces need to be swapped. This one should be placed here. Okay, the other one should be placed here. See? Okay, so we need to swap these two. So the two edge pieces that need to be swapped must be placed here on the lower left. Okay, so hold it like this and do this algorithm: r, u, r prime, u, r, u to r prime. Now rotate it. Okay, so this is correct, this one is also correct, this one is also correct, this one is also correct. So the edge pieces are in their proper places. Okay, now we need to fix the four corners. This should be placed here. As you can see, the red this has a red color, this one also. So okay, so this should be placed here. Okay, okay, the violet. Okay, as you can see, there's a line of violet here. Okay, color violet. This piece has a violet, so it should be placed here. Okay, so this one should be placed here, this one should be placed here, and this one will be placed here. Okay, so to do that, hold it like this and do this algorithm: u prime, l prime, u, r, then u prime, r prime, uh, u prime, and then l, then u, then r prime. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, so I think they are in their proper places, but we need to orient it to make it flat. So to do that, hold it like this. This is going to be our working area. So r prime, d prime, r, d, r prime, d prime, r, d. Okay, don't worry about the mess here. It will be fixed later. Once we fix all the corner pieces. Okay, so we must rotate this. Okay, place this corner piece here so it can be fixed. So do the same algorithm as long as it is needed. So r prime, d prime, r, d, r prime, d prime, r, d. Okay, next r prime, d prime, r, d, r prime, d prime, r, d. Okay, now we need to rotate this. Okay, it's done. See, violet, blue, yellow, green, yellow, orange, red, red, orange, yellow, yellow, green, violet, and blue, yellow, green, blue, violet, yellow, orange, red, red, orange, yellow, violet, blue, yellow, green, violet, blue, yellow, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, yellow, green, blue, violet, yellow, orange, red. Okay, it's fixed. Now if the centerpiece is not in its proper orientation, okay, so to fix it, okay, so hold it like this. We can also hold it like this or like this or like this. Okay, then do this algorithm 5 times. R, U, R prime, U, that's 1. R, U, R prime, U, that's 2. R, U, R prime, U, 3. R, U, R prime, U, 4. R, U, R prime, U, that's 5. Okay, it's done. Violet, blue, yellow, green, yellow, orange, and red. Violet, blue, yellow, green, yellow, orange, and red. Red, orange, yellow, yellow, green, blue, violet. Yellow, green, blue, violet, yellow, orange, and red. Red, orange, yellow, violet, blue, and green. Okay? Yellow, green, blue, violet, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, it's done. So, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe.
Maraming salamat po.